I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I think it's a great country and it also pays a high salary, ma'am.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Um, because I have no any idea what country are they, but that's the my one goal is here in Malaysia, ma'am.
Right. So this is not your first time working abroad. Do you think what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
The quality of being a good domestic helper, mom, is uh, hardworking, be a responsible, and also can take care all the all ones of the employer, mom, in
What
the
is
house.
okay? What is your name?
Christy Garcia, mom,
How old are you?
33 years old,
Are you single or married?
married, mom.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
Uh, my hus um, uh, my husband is 33 years old and he is a farmer, mom.
When is your birthday?
December 24, 1992.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 154 cm and my weight is 56 kgs, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
My educational is only 2 years vocational, mom, hotel and restaurant management.
All right. How many children do you have?
Ma'am,
How many children do you have?
I have two, ma'am.
Ages?
The boy is 11 years old and the girl is 5 years old.
How old is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. We talk about already, ma'am.
So who will going to look after your children once you come to work here?
My husband, ma'am,
How
because he is the one who's taking care when I was going Kuwait.
how many brother and sister do you have?
I have four brothers, ma'am, and I have four sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the youngest, ma'am.
Okay. In Kuwait, how many years you work in Kuwait?
2 years and 5 months, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
July 9, 2022, and I finished my contract in November 23, 2024.
Okay. So July. Okay. So what is your job responsibilities there?
I take care bedridden. My employee, the wife of my employer is bedridden, ma'am.
Okay. How old is she?
84.
Okay. While taking care of this bedridden, did you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am. I also do cooking and cleaning the house, ma'am. When she is sleeping, I
All right.
already.
So are you the only helper or do you have any companion inside the house?
I have one mom. She is the one who is cooking all the time.
So you didn't cook inside the house, right?
Or sometimes, mom, when she is in vacation in 2 months, I was the one who cooked there.
All right. After 2024, do you have any working experience?
Yes, mom. I am a cashier at the Robinson Supermarket, mom.
What year did you start it and what year did you finish your contract?
I started in April 2025 and I already displayed my resignation last month, ma'am.
Last month.
Yes.
So, April 2025 to April 2026, you worked for 1 year as a cashier.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it supermarket?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, working abroad is not that so easy, and most especially working as a domestic helper is not a very okay job, right? This is a very tough one. Okay? So I would like to let you know that working in Kuwait and Malaysia got a huge difference. Houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you have signed in Kuwait. And unfortunately, if there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of
Yes,
contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia.
yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours. You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and this is strictly no go out policy. If you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. We just wanted to be transparent so that you won't give us problem once you come to work here in Malaysia. If you don't like our terms and conditions, better don't come here. Stay in the Philippines. You have a lot of choices. Stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children or for your family at the same time. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Homesickness will strike you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna deal with it later?
Ma'am, I can handle it. I proved already myself when I was working in Kuwait, and thank the Lord I survived. And I think this when I want when God is giving me this opportunity to Malaysia, I think I can handle all the homesickness now.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Christy. It was my
Yes,
pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thank
so
you,
much
ma'am.
and have a good day.